So let's just so let's see at the top. Sorry, self include pen run your Python ID any pencil and pencil brush. I don't think I will brush line. But that's not what I want, because I want a color too in here. So the tools should be color selection, right? What I'm going to do now is to create a color selection here. Where? Here. And yes, I'm going to. Sorry, boom. Let's say color. Call, yes, why not? Call cell, sorry, call cell. So, it's not ready yet. Color picker, color selection, selector, sorry. Why is always add? Give me tokens and some stuff like that. I'm going to grab my water here. And this is it. Maybe I will spread it maybe, but I think I'm going to stay in here, and this is simple because if you want to, for example, like move this into another file, you can just copy and paste, which is very nice because there's still copy paste. And this is an edit. Option current handle def on line. No, wait. Online. What? No, okay. Well, basically, if you want to make your algorithm faster, you don't think, you must use your instinct somehow. That's what I do. Line, there's line, and eventually didn't because I did not setting it to be that thing. So yeah, I guess this is working. I need to look at Inkscape for some reason because of course. No, like, I mean, we don't need the advanced of current. Okay, I'm not going to write the paint stuff because the algorithm is kinda hard, but actually it's not that hard because, for example, if here I want to draw here and here in pencil, here, so this is vector based. you can see that this is actually here. What's it called? Using Bezier curve. Here, like that. And yeah, the Bezier curve is to design. So that's the function of math. Maybe, but that's what I know from math. I mean, you can do that in Desmos for some reason. Maybe you want to use Desmos, or maybe you want to submit in Desmos. But I use Desmos for calculating like the expression or something like that. So blah blah blah. Interface here. Interface. M2, no, this is interface. So save bar. What? Sorry, self and interface is basically just WX menu here, and self and to color, not color selection. But sorry, this is interface too. Bruh. Interface and set dark. Dark mode is a checklist, which is dark. Oh no, psychopath. If you are a psychopath, then you are using white mode like I do with this. Actually, I do this because of CorelDRAW. I mean, I used to work in CorelDRAW when I was a children, but I hate that because yes, I need to make a function that transpose all here, and this is the function here. Function def because this def like def try the psychopath. I don't know why. Change color. Color, why not? This is a reference. But I think I'm not going to just reference one. But why is maybe this? And so basically it's changed. So yeah, Windows set background color to intercal to option. Okay. diff pain, why not self-even none, and this is the best. I'm going to make a trading here to this is pain for the first time, and this is self-setting, and this is self-binding. Self-binding, so self-bind, what about X makes everything? What? Window? Thread? Stop. Is this it? Okay, okay, it likes my computer. Exit. It's true. Really true. But when it will do is yes, when yes, yes. You don't do that. I mean, just like so. They're saying that there are too many. Start if you want. Start this. This is one. Trading trades and start. This is what you want. If I'm not wrong, this is what you want. Just like that. Yeah, maybe it's not defined. Yeah, you are not. But shit. But you will stuck. You're stuck, of course, if you do this. You're stuck here. I forgot how to do it.